15 seconds to go. 5 seconds to go. Honorable Chairman, sir, I thank you for allowing me to speak on the Public Examinations Prevention of Unfair Means Bill. Sir, this law was much awaited by crores of youths who have suffered due to paper leaks, especially in job recruitment. Without taking names of states that have seen such leaks, it can be safely said that this law would deter further leaks. Until now, a specific law to punish the wrongdoers was missing. There are a few positive things in this bill which I would like to point out. The bill promotes transparency and fairness. The bill is designed to increase the transparency, fairness, and credibility of public examination systems. This ensures that the hard work and genuine efforts of candidates are rightly acknowledged and rewarded, thereby safeguarding their future prospects. The bill serves as a model draft for states, offering them the discretion to adopt its provisions. This helps in establishing a uniform approach to tackle malpractices in public examinations across different states and prevents disruption in state level public examinations. The bill deters against unfair practices. In Section 10 of the bill, there is provision of punishment for any person resorting to unfair means and offences with imprisonment of 3 to 5 years and a fine of rupees 10 lakh. This will effectively deter individuals, organized groups, or institutions indulging in unfair means and protect the integrity of the public examination systems. It ensures that those who seek to exploit the vulnerabilities of the examination system for monetary or wrongful gains are legally discouraged and held accountable. The resolution for a Viksit Bharat is not just Modi's or of any government. It is a resolution to fulfill everyone's dreams with Sabka Saath. It also wants to fulfill your resolutions. It wants to create an environment where your desires come true. The Viksit Bharat Sankalp Yatra is taking government plans and facilities to those people who have been neglected so far. We don't even have information about them. Even if they have information, they don't know how to access them. Today, people are sending pictures from various places to the Namo app. I see them regularly. There are many such panchayats where saturation has been achieved. Everyone has received what was due to them without any discrimination. In places where beneficiaries are left out. They are also being informed now, and later they will also benefit from the scheme. They are immediately connected with schemes like Ujjwala and Ayushman cards. In the first phase, gas connections of Ujjwala have been given to more than 40,000 sisters and daughters. During the journey, a large number of My Bharat volunteers are also registering. You know, a few days ago, we started an organization of youth on a nationwide scale. Its name is My Bharat. My request is that as many young people as possible should join this My Bharat campaign in every panchayat. Provide your information in it, and I will keep talking to you in between. Let your power become the force to build a Viksit Bharat. We will work together. Today, we have the right to education. It is for betterment of life. You have said something about developmental activities, corporate activities, and infrastructure activities. They are for the betterment of life. So, the bill today talks about how exactly life has to be. Honorable member tried to make the bill comprehensive and tried to include many things in it, but nonetheless, it does suffer with some deficiencies. You cannot expect a comprehensive bill because the mover of the bill himself said that he is apprehensive whether it will be passed or not. He is apprehensive whether the bill will be accepted by the government. But the question is whether it is acceptable or not. The very fact you are trying to say and what this house is trying to say or focus on is the point that the government must take cognizance of it and try to incorporate important points from the bill in their policy. That is exactly what our point of view is. Therefore, I am taking it as a fundamental thing. The right to life is a part of Article 21. We wanted this as a right so that there is a scope for legislation by the states, and at the same time the center can also legislate without disturbing the rights of the states. Then, madam, you have Articles 39, 42, and 47. They are taken care of once you make this right to life a fundamental right through legislation. There are three things. One is this: when we talk about the bill, we must talk about law and talk about the spirit of the bill. But my learned friend from the other side wanted to talk about politics. He has a right to talk, but let us not politicize the issue of health.